Hello guys, in today's video, we're going to clear all cache and junk files in Windows 10 and Windows 11 or any other computer. It's very easy, so watch the video till end because last one is the most important. And after cleaning all cache and junk file, believe me, the performance of your PC will be way better than earlier. Hello guys, welcome to my channel TrikMantra. If you're new, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot to me. So without wasting time, let's start it. So press Window and our key together and you will get this run window. And here we need to type prefetch. Once you type prefetch, click OK. And it will ask for permission, just need to click on continue. Just select any of the file or press Ctrl+A to select all the file. And you need to press delete and shift key on a keyboard. So why we are pressing shift and delete key? To permanent delete all the cache and junk file. So after selecting all, click on yes, and it will delete all within a minute. Once this is done again, we have press Window and our key together, and this time we will type temp and click on OK, and again press Ctrl+A to select all. And press Shift and Delete key to delete all the junk files. The temp files are use my mini folders once this is done. Again, press Window plus our key together, and this time we will type %10%. Once you type it, hit OK. This is another location where lots of junk file cache and encryption files are there who makes our system slow and consume more power. Now select all the files and again press Shift plus Delete key to delete all the junk files. Once it's done, now all the junk files, cache file, encrypted files, all who are making your system slow have been permanently deleted. Once this is done again, press Window or key together and type cleaner and hit OK. This will open Disk Cleaner Drive selection. Select the C drive and click on OK. And once we are in this window, select all this check mark and hit OK. So in this manner, you'll be able to delete all your junk file. And your PC will run smoothly and also consume less power. So if you found this video informative, hit like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video.